Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video you see the bald cap. We're installing a new wig by LUVMEhair, and this is the Afro Curly Undetectable Invisible Lace Glueless Frontal Lace Wig. I will have it all down below, but basically this wig has a kinky afro texture and it has HD invisible lace and it can be glueless. So I'm just giving you guys a little tour of the wig. You see the HD lace, the inside of the cap, it's constructed very well. So I just went ahead and popped that on my head, and as you can see, y'all, I didn't cut the lace yet at all, but it's already like blending in with my skin perfectly. Like, you would not be able to tell me where the lace began and where it ended. And also take a look at the hairline. I'm going to give you guys a close-up later, but it just looks so natural and I absolutely love it. This hair is super voluminous, super thick, and I've never tried like a kinky textured hair before, but I actually really like it. It was something different than the usual. So first things first, we got to cut this lace off. Like I said, this lace is already invisible, so this was fairly easy. I just cut some tabs into the lace, and then I just take a razor and I'm just going to start cutting that lace, making sure not to cut any of those hairs. It does already come with shorter hairs in the front that are mimicking like baby hairs. I kind of pushed mine back, but if you do want like that fluffy baby hair look, you can totally get that with this hair. So after I cut that lace off, as you can see, it's still completely glueless and it's just blending with my skin so well. I really don't even know what to say. This is probably one of the best laces that I've used in a while. So now I'm just taking some of that Cantu foam, and I'm just putting that throughout the curls so that they can be a little bit more defined. I was playing with the hair so much they kind of got a little bit frizzy, so I just wanted to bring back that definition. So I'm just lathering the whole head up with some of that mousse. And as you can see, that mousse is really just defining those curls. Like, in comparison to the other side is a lot more frizzy and everywhere. Whereas the side I put the mousse, you can see that those curls are so like juicy and defined, which I love. I think the texture of this hair is so pretty. I've seen so many girls on Instagram have this exact hair texture, and I always have like admired it so much. I always thought it was so beautiful to have like more of like that kinky coily curls, and I absolutely love how this looks. And not only did it look cute, the hair was very soft. It did not tangle easily, which was very good, just because of the fact that typically with like kinkier hair textures, sometimes with wigs they get knotted a lot more easy than they would if it was like a straighter texture. So I was happy to see that this wig did not tangle. Now I'm just going ahead and trying to give this wig a little bit of shape, just because it was so long. I wanted to cut a few little like face framing layers in the front. So I just took some scissors and just kind of cut some shorter pieces in the front. And now I just wanted to give you guys like a overall show of the wig so you can really see the texture up close and personal. It's such a natural texture, and this is definitely for the girls who maybe want to still look like they have their natural hair out but want to actually protect their natural hair. I think this wig is definitely for you because it still gives that naturalista look, but it's giving your hair that protection. And this is just a close-up of the hairline. I obviously had to hold it down with my other hand because it is glueless. I didn't apply any glue at all. And as you guys can see, this hairline looks very natural. It literally blends right into my head. And I did show you guys the HD lace in different lighting. And as you can see, it looks like it's going for my scalp, baby. I'm sliding that comb right underneath, and you would be surprised seeing a comb slide right under my hair because it looks like it's growing from my actual head. It's literally insane. I have never tried HD lace that is like this. And I'm just fixing the wig just to prove to you guys that this is no gimmicks, no tricks, no nothing. This is literally how good this lace is. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this install and learned a lot about this wig. All of the details will be in the description box down below, along with links and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to check this wig out for yourselves, I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, love y'all.